If you think cars are just hunks of metal and plastic, you're missing out on their wonderfully temperamental personalities. They react to the weather with all the drama of a reality TV show contestant. These meteorological mood swings are prime opportunities for you to shine, build customer loyalty, and boost your bottom line. Now, obviously, seasonal means different things across the country, but for the sake of planning, look at spring and summer and fall and winter as ideal times to remind your customers of necessary maintenance items. This time of year, when the leaves start to turn and frost creeps in, our cars get even more temperamental. The single most common call for roadside assistance in winter? A dead battery. Proactive battery testing, especially for those over a few years old, is a lifesaver and a tow truck avoider. Cold weather significantly weakens batteries, so a charge check and terminal cleaning are essential. Next, tires. Driving on icy or snowy roads with summer tires is like trying to ice skate in flip-flops, a recipe for disaster. Recommend checking tread depth, and for those in snowy climates, a switch to dedicated winter tires with their special rubber compound can dramatically improve traction and safety. And remember, cold temperatures cause tire pressure to drop, so this is a great time to check TPMS sensor, battery health, and system operation. A car that needs tires may need TPMS sensors as well. Fluids get a winter makeover too. Ensure the antifreeze coolant mixture is correct, often 50-50, to prevent the coolant from freezing solid and causing major damage. If an oil change is due, always use the oil recommended by the manufacturer for proper viscosity. And if it's a problem in your area, it's a good time to check wiper blades and make sure washer fluid is rated for sub-freezing temperatures. Nobody wants a frozen, opaque windshield when they're trying to navigate icy roads. Continuing on with the visibility and comfort, test the heater and defroster to ensure they're working perfectly. A clear windshield and warm cabin aren't just luxuries, they're safety essentials. A new cabin air filter will not only significantly improve the airflow through their vents, but it can also help their AC and heating systems work more efficiently, saving money on fuel in the long run. And if they typically have a long commute, explain that a clean cabin air filter can make a noticeable difference in the air quality they're breathing. Breathing clean air can reduce fatigue and improve concentration, important for long trips. With children or older adults, cleaner air can be an attractive benefit as well. All lights, headlights, brake lights, turn signals, need to be working properly for those shorter, darker winter days. And just as in summer, inspect belts and hoses. Cold temperatures can make them brittle and prone to cracking. Finally, remind customers about their brakes. Drivers need a reliable system for those slick, icy roads, and anti-lock braking and traction control systems rely on healthy brakes to operate properly. And these seasonal checkups aren't just good deeds, they're smart business. They naturally lead to identifying necessary repairs and additional service sales, keeping your bays busy and your customers safer. Thanks for watching.